Rev up your engines. If you're a Honda CR-V owner or just someone who loves keeping their ride in top shape, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a weird whistling noise that's been driving some Honda CR-V owners nuts. It's one of those sounds that creeps up on you, and once you hear it, you can't unhear it. If you've got a 2017, 2018, or 2019 CR-V, especially the LX model, you might know exactly what I'm talking about. This issue seems to pop up most often in these years, but it can happen to others too. It's not a catastrophic failure, but it's enough to make you question your sanity on a long drive. That constant, high-pitched whistle can turn a peaceful cruise into a frustrating guessing game. The good news? Honda knows about it, and there's a straightforward fix. You don't have to live with the noise or spend hours searching for answers. Before we dive in, check the video description for links to the best deals on parts and tools for any car job. Whether you're a DIYer or just want to be prepared, I've rounded up the top-rated products to save you time and money. Even if the dealer fixes this one, being prepared with the right tools and info saves you money in the long run. Plus, you'll have the confidence to tackle other repairs down the road. Knowledge is power. Walk into the dealership informed, and you'll get what you need without the runaround. You'll be able to ask the right questions and make sure your CR-V gets the attention it deserves. My channel is all about helping you keep your car running and your wallet full. I break down common problems, share money-saving tips, and show you how to get the most out of your vehicle. This CR-V whistle is a perfect example of a problem that's easy to solve if you have the right info. Don't let a small annoyance turn into a big headache. So let's break down what this noise is, where it's coming from, and how to get the dealership to fix it for free. I'll walk you through the steps so you know exactly what to expect. Stick with me and you'll be back to quiet drives in no time. Let's get started and make your CR-V the smooth, silent ride it was meant to be. Let's clear up some confusion. The fix for this whistling noise is covered under Honda's service bulletin A19-018. This isn't a recall. Recalls are for safety issues and require manufacturer notification. A service bulletin, or TSB, is an internal memo to dealerships about known problems and how to fix them. The dealership won't call you, you have to bring up the issue yourself. That's why knowing about this bulletin is crucial. If you just say, "My dash is making a weird noise," they might waste time searching. But if you mention Service Bulletin A19-018, you point them straight to the solution. It's like a secret handshake, shows you've done your homework. The bulletin means Honda admits the problem is real and has a fix. It's not a safety recall, but it's an official acknowledgement. So, if you're hearing that whistle, you're not alone. And there's a documented solution. Bring up the bulletin, and you'll save time and hassle. Let's see what's actually causing the noise. So what's this noise? It's a high-pitched whistle or hum, usually from the center of the dash behind the radio or climate controls. It's not a rattle or a squeak, it's a pure, steady tone, almost like a tiny flute. The key clue: it happens when the engine and AC are on, and often disappears when you turn the AC off. This is most common in 2017-2019 CR-Vs, especially the LX trim. The culprit? The AC expansion valve, a small part that controls refrigerant flow. In these CR-Vs, the original valve can vibrate just right to create that annoying frequency. The vibration travels through the AC lines and makes your dash hum. It's a design flaw, not your imagination. If you hear a high-pitched whistle from the center dash with the AC on, you've got the expansion valve issue. Now, let's talk about how the dealer fixes it. Here's what happens at the dealership. They recover the refrigerant from your AC system. Can't just let it out. It's illegal and bad for the environment. With the system empty, they access the expansion valve on the firewall, remove the old one, and install a new, updated valve designed to eliminate the vibration. They also replace the O-rings on the AC lines to prevent leaks. Reusing old ones is a recipe for trouble. The technician applies the right refrigerant oil, bolts everything back together, and pulls a vacuum to remove air and moisture. Then they recharge the system with the exact amount of refrigerant. Finally, they test the AC to make sure the whistle is gone. If all's quiet, you're good to go. This isn't a patch job. It's a permanent fix with a redesigned part. The attention to detail here is why you want the dealer handling it. Let's talk about who pays for this repair. The big question: what's it cost? For many drivers, a surprise repair bill is stressful. So, who actually pays for this fix, and what should you expect at the dealership? If your CR-V is under the 3-year 36,000 mile warranty, The repair is free. Honda covers parts and labor. Just bring your car in, explain the issue, and let the dealership handle it. Many owners got it fixed under warranty and moved on. For them, it was a quick, hassle-free visit. If you're out of warranty, don't panic. Sometimes Honda or the dealer will cover it as a goodwill repair, especially for loyal customers. The service bulletin is your leverage. Show them Honda knows about the defect. This can help, even if your warranty's expired. Worst case, you pay out of pocket, but you'll get the right fix. The repair isn't cheap, but it's better than risking more damage. The repair takes a few hours, but plan to leave your car for half a day or more. Don't wait. Address the issue as soon as you hear it, especially if you're still under warranty. The sooner you act, the better your chances of a free fix. Don't let the whistle linger. Check your warranty paperwork and act before coverage runs out. Now let's clear up some confusion about other noises. Not every sound means the same problem, so let's break down what to listen for next. Searching online, you'll find all kinds of CRV noise complaints. Don't get sidetracked. Wind noise from mirrors or the windshield? That's aerodynamic, not the AC whistle. Hybrid models have a battery cooling fan under the rear seat. Totally normal, unrelated sound. Rattles and buzzes from plastic parts? Annoying, but not the same as the steady whistle from the dash. The expansion valve whistle is unique, high-pitched, steady, and only when the AC is on. Most owners with this issue got it fixed under warranty, so you won't find endless rants online. If your symptoms match, a whistle from the center dash with the AC on, this bulletin is your answer. Don't confuse it with other noises or waste time chasing the wrong fix. Let's wrap up with what you should do next. If your 2017-2019 CRV is making that annoying whistle, don't ignore it. Call your local Honda dealer and schedule an appointment as soon as you can. Taking action quickly can help prevent further issues and give you peace of mind, knowing your car is being taken care of. When you call, clearly describe the whistling noise and mention Service Bulletin A19-018. This helps the service team identify the issue and the recommended fix right away, saving you time and hassle. Ask if your repair is covered under warranty. Many owners have found this fix is included, especially if your CRV is still within the warranty period, so it's worth checking. Be polite but firm. You're requesting a documented fix for a known issue that Honda has acknowledged, so don't hesitate to stand your ground if needed. The technician will replace the faulty part with an updated version, which should solve the whistling problem for good and restore your driving experience. Don't let that whistle ruin your drive. Get it fixed and enjoy quiet, comfortable rides again, just like your CRV was meant to deliver. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more car tips and updates. Your support helps us keep making helpful content for drivers like you. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy driving. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. Stay safe and see you in the next video.